Hello guys, welcome back to another small video of Actify Solutions Week 2. Many people were saying that for clickjacking second lab we need to use the Actify clickjacking portal. So that was not recommended, but sorry, it was recommended to check but not mandatory. So I will just show you how to use that, as many of them are having problems. So for the rehijack one, in the test page the clickjacking format is already applied above the template, but we won't be using this. We will just apply a template from the Actify portal and use it on the previous login. Let me just grab the link for that. The link is actify.in clickjacking. As you can see, we have a login button template, a drag me template for email and password to trick the user that he is filling the original form but will be filling our personal form. So we just need to apply the CSS of the email, password and login button. So to look legitimate, just go to view page source. For email it's the class field, for password it's the class field. Let's just copy the attributes of that, and for email, for password, and for loading the site, we just have to copy the link here and click on load. We will have our original website here. Now we have to place this over this. Before that, let me just place the CSS. Now we need the CSS from button style. So as you can see, for the button we are using class btn and btn warning and float right, and here we only have btn warning in the CSS. We'll just copy this. Now let's just place the email over the email one, password over here, and login here. Now we click on view. The CSS will load. The sign in just went a little off. Place it here. We'll view it again a little bit more. Just close this. A bit above. You can just check by yourself and apply it to the. So not, it seems legitimate up to a 90% extent. For the 9% here, you can just move and get it to place. So the form is legitimate for the user, but it has been tricked by us for a clickjacking attack. So when he signs in, click this button sign in, the credentials will be captured and sent to us. So like if he fills his own login detail, as he thinks the page is legitimate and clicks on sign in, the details are captured to us. This will be the screenshot of your POC, and you can also add the POC screenshot of this page also. That was it for the task. Or you can just go to the test page here. This already has a template above it. You just don't have to do anything, just enter the credential and click on login. And if you want to use the clickjacking on your local host, you can just go to GitHub. Shifa and Gautam, these both are the co-founders. Thanks to them for the internship. Just go to the clickjacking POC. This is a POC already designed for bug bounty hunters. You just need to run it on localhost using the PHP minus capital S localhost 8000. Open it in the browser and you're good to go if the website has a vulnerability of clickjacking. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, those who are having difficulty in solving the rehijack solution. to see you in the next video or in the next week of 55. Till then, stay safe and happy. Thank you.